guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making simple vanilla icing.
Yeah.
For this, we will be needing half cup of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, and quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put all the ingredients in. Yeah, we're going to start by putting the vanilla extract in. This is a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so in that goes. Okay, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of milk in at first and mix it in. And if it's still too thick, I'm gonna add in another tablespoon. And as you can start to see, it's not how we want it to be. So I'm gonna add in 1 more tablespoon of milk. Now I'm just gonna mix this.
Oh yeah.
Now you can see that it's starting to come together. There you have it. It's well mixed and it's liquidy well. We're going to be dipping in our donut. Okay, so I've been making these donuts, and so I basically made these vanilla icing recipe. If you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!